Welcome once again students. Now I am going to discuss the question number 6 of the exercise 2.5. Here it is given that write the following cubes in expanded form. So here again you need to expand, but here it is the cube of the two value. Here two terms are given in the bracket and you need to find the cube. So here four parts are there and all the parts are similar. Here in the certain question minus sign is there and in some of the question plus is there, and here it is the cube. So I had given the two identities for the cube, x plus y whole cube and x minus y whole cube. So if positive terms are there each in the bracket, so you will use x plus y whole cube, and if negative term is there, so x minus y whole cube. So I have written these two identities and both the identity will be used to solve the all these questions from the question number 6. I am going to solve the third and fourth part. First and second are just similar to the third and fourth, so you need to solve first and second similar to the third and fourth. Here I have written the third part 3 by 2x plus 1 whole cube. So it can be written as, if you are going to compare with the identity, here it is plus, here it is plus. So which identity will be used? This one, x plus y whole cube. If you are going to compare at the place of x, 3 by 2x is there, and at the place of y, 1 is there. So it can be written as x cube. So here it is, x is 3 by 2x in your question, plus y cube, and y value is 1. So plus 1 cube, plus 3x square y. So plus 3 into 3 by 2 x square plus 3 into x square into y is 1, plus 3xy square. So plus 3 into x value is 3 by 2x into y square. So 1 square. So I am going to use the same identity, that is x plus y whole cube, and I have written at the place of x 3 by 2x and at the place of y 1. Now find the cube. 3 cube will be 27, 2 cube 8, x cube, that will be x cube, 1 cube will be 1, plus 3 into 3 by 2 square, so 3 square 9 upon 2 square 4, x square into 1 will be the same value, plus 3 into 3 by 2 x into 1 square will be 1, and if 1 is multiplied you will get the same value. So it can be written as 27 upon 8 x cube plus 1, 9 3 ja 27 upon 4 x square plus 3 3 ja 9 upon 2 x. So that is the expanded form. So students, in the question number 4, you had solved the question where it was given the square of the three terms, so there you had used the identity x plus y plus z whole square, but here it is given the cube of the two terms in the bracket, so you are having these two identity and it will be solved just like the previous question. So the main thing is that you need to learn these identity to solve the question. Now here I have written the fourth part, that is x minus 2 by 3 y whole cube. Again two terms are there, only here the difference between the third part and fourth part is that here you are having the plus sign and here it is the minus sign. Rest all the things are similar. So here which identity will be used? Here you will use the identity in which negative sign is there, x minus y whole cube. So at the place of x, x is there, and at the place of y 2 by 3 y is there. So x cube, so it will be x cube minus y cube, and y is 2 by 3 y. So minus 2 by 3 y cube minus 3x square y. So minus 3 into x square into y is 2 by 3 y, and plus 3xy square. So plus 3 into x into y is 2 by 3 y square. Now open the bracket. So it will be x cube minus 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27, y cube y cube. Here this 3 and this 3 will be cancelled, so it will be minus 2x square y, and it will be plus 3 into x, and square of this value will be 2 square 4 upon 3 square 9 y square, and here 3 3 ja 9. So it can be written as x cube minus 8 by 27 y cube minus 2x square y plus x 4 by 3 plus 4 by 3 xy square. So it is the answer of the fourth part. So try to solve the first and second part by yourself. So now students, here it is given the question number 7, evaluate the following using suitable identity. You need to find the cube of the certain numbers using identity. 99 cube, 102 cube, 998 cube. So here you are not supposed to do the calculation like multiply. You need to use the identity. So here I am going to solve the third part, and rest of the first and second part will be solved similarly to the third. So here 998, it can be written as 1000 minus 2. 998 can be written as 1000 minus 2, and it will be 998 cube, so 1000 minus 2 whole cube. Now here which identity can be used here? Here the identity is x minus y whole cube. It is similar to the identity x minus y whole cube. It is the x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square. So I am going to use that identity. So here it can be written as 1000 minus 2 whole cube. Now students, if you are going to compare with the identity and your question, at the place of x 1000 is there, and at the place of y 2 is there. Here it is minus, here it is minus cube. So here use that identity x cube, it means 1000 cube minus y cube, so minus 2 cube, minus 3x square y, so minus 3 into 1000 square into y is 2, plus 3xy square, so plus 3 into 1000 into 2 square. So I had used the identity to expand the 1000 minus 2 whole cube. So it can be written as 1000 cube. So here in the cube of 1000, how many 0 will be there? Here it is 3 0. So in the cube of the 1000 you will get the 9 0. So 3 again 6 7 8 9. So there will be the 9 0. Minus 2 cube 8, minus 8. Minus 3 into 1000 square will be, there will be 6 0. So it will be this into 2 plus 3 into 1000 into 2 square is 4. Now again you will write, there will be the 9 0. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 minus 8, and minus 3 into 2 minus 6, minus 6 into, that will be 1 lakhs. So you need to multiply, so you will get minus 60 lakhs it will be, and there will be after 6 you will get how many zeros? 6 0. So 3 into 2 into 10 lakhs equal to 60 lakh. And now plus 3 into 4 12, 12 into 1000 12,000. Now you need to simplify that, you need to add and subtract, then you will get the answer. So you need to add these two are the negative, these two are positive. So you need to add this, both are positive, so both will be added. So it can be written as 0 0 0 3 0, 2 1 2 1. So 1 2 3 4 5, then 2 4 0 will be there, 1 2 3 4 1. And after that minus, and both are negative, so both will be added together. So 1 2 3 4 5 and 8, so both negative terms are added. Now you need to subtract, then you will get the answer. So if you are going to subtract, you will get, so here I had subtracted that, and after subtraction you are going to get this value. So it is the cube of 998. So students, I had find the cube using this identity x minus y whole cube. Similarly, if you are going to solve the second part, 99 cube, 99 can be written as 100 minus 1 cube, and you will use the same identity to solve. 102 cube you need to find, so here you will write 100 plus 2 whole cube. Here it will be positive, and you will use the x plus y whole cube to find the cube of 102. So students, you need to solve the first and second part by yourself. So thank you students.